people. Me and beg you. You are dead for you.
Brother, you next time you fix the camera. Ciao. Welcome guys to K and J Vlogs and Adventures. I am K and he is J. Just kidding, I'm K.
And I am Junior.
So maybe I have to say another voice there.
Junior.
Okay. Anyway guys, this is just a short introductory.
What?
So,
Introduction.
video. So basically what this video is about is just we introducing ourselves to you and just giving you like a little rundown of what this whole thing is and why we decided that we wanted to upload a part of our life on YouTube so that you guys could
Share with us.
yeah, so be a part of it in a way. So let's get started basically. So as I say, I am Kian.
And I am Junior.
Again, we started already anyway.
Yeah. So, as Ken say, start a YouTube channel for just show you guys, you know, things, a few things like what we do, maybe how we spend our days. If we go on some little traveling experience, you know, we record it and upload it and show them, you know, and some adventures.
Yeah.
You see me? And us being silly. You see me? I say, try to make them laugh a bit. Don't know.
You can cry if no one cry.
Laugh and cry. Why don't want to cry?
So what if them see something that is so, oh my god, that is so
Oh, happy ball!
Them can cry.
Happy balling. Okay, think I like sad thing.
No.
No, I'm ball over my sadness. No, them happy.
So you want somebody happy over your sadness?
No, I mean like happy. Like overall happy. Not over my sadness. If sad, if somebody laugh after me, I go punch them in the nose.
So why you want to abuse people?
Because they might abuse me.
Oh, how do I abuse you?
By laughing at my sadness.
So,
That's
you mean to tell me
a
say,
form of abuse, you know.
you mean to tell me say, he might walk on the road and me record him and him drop. Yeah? And somebody will laugh is a ball.
Laugh?
I laugh because
And
he
me a
drop
ball?
and he lick him foot like, you know like how Peter give him would I give the when him drop. And me record him and upload it. You know if you laugh? Laugh, yeah?
Me not say them from laugh.
Laugh.
Laugh? Don't laugh. Make me see.
Record yourself and laugh. Send him come give me make him see. Laugh. If it's funny, laugh. The only cure for laugh is laugh. Like what him said, the only cure for sleep is sleep. Can you tell me one time you know say, if you see something funny, you cannot help yourself to laugh. I'm gonna tell him that is not true. You can control yourself from laughing. If you see something, you don't have to laugh. You know, like you see something when you look right, you don't have to laugh. And me I tell you the truth, guys. One day I make a man and buck up on one of them something that I couldn't help it.
You have to laugh.
Me laugh, and I feel so bad while laughing, but I couldn't stop laugh.
You have to laugh. You get something funny, so you see something funny, you read something funny. It might not be funny to other persons at the time, but if it's funny to you, the only cure for it is to laugh. People might have look at you like,
We will laugh.
why would I laugh at that? That's not funny. It's funny to me, not funny to you. You know? Alright, I'll give you an instance, right? One day, you see this brother, him physically impaired.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But it's not the fact that him physically impaired why me a laugh. It's just the fact that him a walk and He accidentally fell in a gully. And at the time, it was funny. I try to hold it back and I said, no, I shouldn't have laughed. But I laugh because it's funny. And then now, when I sit back and I think about him, I say, boy, John, no star. I'm sorry I couldn't help him because I passed at the time when I see it. You know, and if I could have available to help him, would have helped. But when we see it, it happened so quick. And the reaction was laughter. So, you know, if something funny, guys, and you find it funny, laugh. Okay?
And all over time, the places and some things happen, and you have to be like, you try not to laugh, or you just burst out laughing. You just have to laugh. So I mean, you just don't even bother trying to find it because it will come out. Just laugh. And all over time, the places, all over things happen. And I laugh, and people say, but you shouldn't laugh because that's not funny. And I mean, but what do you mean by that not funny? Oh, you're going to tell me how me feel. I mean, not a fake laugh. It's not like a fake laugh. It's a real, genuine laugh. That you have your hole on your belly, so you have to belly. Because it's so funny. So guys, if you get anything funny, laugh.
Why?
Because it's funny. That's why. So anyways, laugh.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, you know what to say? If you want to laugh, you laugh. You see it? So, for who concerned, or who want to know, yes, we are married.
Oh, I'm going to have a ring for my finger because my finger them swell.
Don't know. Put a ring on it, just it.
Okay.
Oh, we don't put a ring on it? On the phone, ring on the phone.
Oh, I put a ring on the phone, a ringtone.
Ringtone.
Oh, okay.
On the phone. Wink, wink, you know?
Weird. So yes, guys, as them say, we are married. We have been married for almost 3 years from the 14th of November, and we have been together for 12 years come next year April. So a long time we are chatting.
Long time, brother. You see, we are forward from far.
Far.
You know, don't know, from 10 to a turbo days, you see me? Walking thing. Talk about that, you know, so like how we depend on me, I'll give you a little story time then. Like how we depend on the topic then.
Alright.
So, I'll give you a little story time, is it? As I say, far away forward from. So, I'll go on a little instance of a thing where, on a little journey where me and her did fall from me. I say, me and sit and say, yo, the real one, this, you know, man. It's real, you know? So, when me and her live down her father, is it? For a while. And for who know me, like, watch the video now and know me from before, my current job I'm in now. Who know me know say, music play, music, like sound, you see what I say? Big up NSC. Don't know Richie Man, PZ. Don't know the whole team, man up. You only know live a foreign, Navad, well, everybody know themselves. Most, whole team, you see me? And I'm saying, we used to live down our father, both of us, and it never, boy, it's rough. It's rough down there, I tell you. You see, big up the amount of you, back bush, still beat. Big up yourself. You see, but it's rough down there, man, I tell you. New environment for me, you don't know. And I think go on, which in our next story time, I'll tell you about what go on make me end up down there, so you see. But with the down there sound, we have to living, we have to play music and them like away they don't know. Play it every weekend and so we can maybe buy some food and this, that, and the other thing. But what me and mainly telling about is when I realized to myself, say, boy, yo, she really know. So the current job I'm in now, when I send out the application and them look away, when them contact me and thing and we have to start get moving for some paperwork like we have to do police record and all of them type of thing. Police record, driving record. And we never have no drive and no money to take the taxi to do all of them things. We have to walk from Mountain View, Pandini Road. Remember that journey, me and her walk, go deal with the driving record, we have to go Elliston Road. All of this I walk where I walk, you know. You see me? Walk, go. Go Elliston Road, go get the paperwork, go get something from Elliston Road and then find out about me have 2 outstanding tickets and then the next day you know, we have to walk again. Walk on Langston Road this time. I tell you, I know why them call it Langston Road. The road very long. You see me and I walk and we go court, go pay the traffic ticket and you see me and say and them things they playing on my mind and I say, yo, John don't start. Even though I know her long before all of that still, you know, but you know when you at the time, my girlfriend, you know, they decide you and they ride through with you and she'll make them move there with you, you know, say yo. You see me? So the man them, now watch this. When the woman them are showing them side of them, respect the woman them way they see. You see me I say, them dead the phone through them time there. When times get better, then we dead the phone the same way. You get me? So yeah man. So she did the right through till me get to work. Don't know start training and very. Who know me? Know say know the job what me do. You see? Who don't know now eventually find out. Because we are not give it too much, we are trying to save up something. So that we have a whole heap of story to tell. Because we have some whole heap of things to tell you.
Whole heap of story.
Whole heap of story time, you know. We're telling you to draw, cheer and pop some popcorn. Boys on tea.
Yeah, boy,
you know, say late night drama. I tell you. some funny story. Oh, maybe some people find it maybe a bit touching, some people find it sad. You see, so don't know. Just go and keep tuned to the channel for more uploads and you don't know, share, subscribe. She look cute that bad. Subscribe. What else me say? Comment. You know, left in a comment. Left some ideas, like if you want to do like some challenges or if you want to go somewhere, maybe somewhere where you have been before, where you say, yo, we can visit there and vlog it and this, that and the other. Them little things that we want the channel to be all about. You get me? So that's just it. You know? I don't know if Mama have anything else to say. Call her Mama still.
Yeah, my darling beer, Mr. Boobs, Papa, Pops, Booby.
Yeah, me have Bolly on here.
Any one of them when I feel him get a junior and him do something wrong. Junior!
Yeah, you know, so it's serious. It's serious when they hear the junior up in a high tone there, boy. She go in a baritone voice. You know, so, oh, we do something there, boy. You know?
Yeah man guys, so just want to know for journey with us as I say, you know, and just the doors are open, so you guys can always come in and subscribe and just be a part of the family, you see, so be a part of the olive branch. You see that?
The who?
The olive branch.
The olive branch?
Branch! Yeah.
Oh.
And I say go.
You have to talk clear but we can't hear even though they're beside me.
Olive branch. Yeah, so you guys so you guys can come in and be a part of our family. Understand? No hate, just love. You see it, so no negative comments. Not negative, because we are showing our life, we just want to know for just be a part of it.
Constructive criticism is always welcome.
Yeah.
Because you don't know. You know, you have some people who just, you know what I mean, they're like some detractors. Which, I mean, no matter how much you preach and beseech, them are forward, same way. You see, but don't know, constructive criticism, we take it and then just read it and know, say, alright, if we make a mistake or we do something, we know, say, alright, then boom, back. We try to keep it. So, sorry about that. This is really distracted. I mean, my dog may look and show them
Bite up
something. But we soon introduce it to a big dog. Mystique.
My name is Mystique because she black and white. Not Mystique because of the color still, but me I say, oh, in the dark, nobody never see her and she will just appear like Mystique from out of Spider-Man.
You don't come from planet Earth.
From the X-Men. From all the X-Men. So that's why she... Boy! From all the X-Men, guys. Sorry. Mystique. So she will just appear. Sure.
Oh, that's Spider-Man. Mystique.
Mystique in a Spider-Man, but it's true that episode didn't release yet. So look out for it. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you guys, by tomorrow, hopefully, if not tomorrow, oh, she's right now?
Near that? Plane that are passing, brother.
What? You live at the airport?
Most airport we live because plane passes are quite frequently.
But plane pass anyway.
Anyway, wait a second.
Anyways, by hopefully tomorrow, we supposed to head in the studio. We record with him.
Oh, new intro. Yeah. We are
So
gonna.
we're bringing up on that journey there with we.
Yeah, we have vlog that gonna studio there.
Yeah.
Gonna same place but down a Mountain View there down our father. I have a studio down there. Like a studio thing down there more time we just go down like a 5 and all a vibe with steel beat. You see?
So
The top chop, father-in-law. That right? Music chop thing properly?
You have to ask.
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Chopper.
Yeah. You don't want to use the choppy wrong place and you have to
Chopper.
end up choppy over the video.
That's the wrong place. John, no.
Yeah, you know?
Yes, guys, we're carrying up on the journey that we'll do tomorrow morning. We'll go into the studio, record the theme song. Not the theme song.
The theme song, we're chill now, cartoon.
Record the intro, and then
Just go chill out with steel beat for a bit.
I'm going to record one song. You have one song if you want to record. You want to hear.
Yeah, me want to record my first official single. Yo, wait till it drop. You see me? Well, let us see from the thing here.
King.
Strong, brother.
Strong.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I water in a cup.
My yo, they are in fire.
No, do this. It's water in the cup.
It's still strong. Strong water.
Then I'm not supposed to drink then.
Huh?
If the water strong, I'm not supposed to drink.
What do you mean?
Then I will work out to properly be inside.
What do you mean? Water strong make me strong.
What?
I don't know nothing about strong water, I know. Tell her about it in the comments. Down in the comments, people, down below this up. Tell her about strong water, down this up. She don't know nothing about strong water.
Okay. So, guys, as I said, it would be short and sweet. Just a little introduction of Junior and Kian. So, catch you on another video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video. And
Remember that.
hit the notification bell to get a notification anytime a new video is uploaded. And guys, you can also visit our Instagram at K_J_vlogs. And
The link will be in the description below. Okay? Everything, we are linking down there.
I can visit my business channel where I'm wedding bouquets and so forth at Ks_bouquet on Instagram. Alright guys, so catch you on another time. Stay tuned. Big up on yourself.
Stay safe.
Mm-hmm.